warm welcome to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. My name is Nicole Sheen. I'm part of the capital markets team here at the JSE. Of course, we want to extend a very, very warm and special welcome to Astoria Investments, who is listing on the AltX this morning, to Peter Armitage, who's representing them here today, and everyone else from Astoria. A very, very warm welcome to you. We are absolutely thrilled that you are listing on AltX this morning, and we're very, very pleased and privileged that you've chosen to have an event with us this morning and to celebrate the listing here with you.
Obviously, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Astoria Investments here today, and especially to the AltX board. This is a secondary listing for Astoria, as I know they are listed on the Stock Exchange of Mauritius. And so this is obviously very exciting for us as well, because it has an international flavor to the whole thing. Of course, Astoria's primary objective is to invest in high quality investment vehicles or companies around the world, but it was encapsulated on their website, funnily enough, in one sentence, which I read yesterday, which was invest in world's best businesses through one JSE listed share. And I think that really encapsulates what's exciting for us as well, because it talks to a partnership between entrepreneurial companies and the JSE as a place where you can raise capital and you can create the future that you want to create. So we're very excited about this partnership.
So Astoria actually listed last week in Mauritius. Very strangely, I wasn't invited there for a week-long holiday to do the listing presentation. You know, from a crazy idea 6 months ago, it's really a phenomenal experience to come to market with a 2 billion rand business and 2 billion rand in cash 6 months later, and that's only through the really hard work of a number of people. I'm not going to go through everybody by name, but I think particularly the Java Capital guys, who put a lot of faith and trust in your capabilities and ability to get it over the loop. One of the keys to Astoria, which, as Paolo said, is it's a share that you can buy on the JSE, which represents a quality offshore portfolio of equity investments. But one of the keys really was to get Reserve Bank approval. And with that being a complete unknown to myself, I was always skeptical as to whether we'd get that. And Travis phoned me at about 4:30 on a Friday afternoon. I was standing between rugby games in a pub in Dublin, and he gave me the news that the Reserve Bank had approved $450 million. Is that a bid at 17 Rand? So for those of you who can picture, you know, Tuesday morning meetings with the Astoria guys, Anchor Capital as asset managers, conferencing in London, conferencing in Mauritius, conferencing in Australia. It's a global business. I'm the only director who's resident in South Africa. A hell of a lot of work. Where's Nkosi? He's driven me to every Astoria meeting, and he chants Astoria between meetings. So it's been something that's been a hell of a lot of fun to do. When you've got really good people helping you do it. I mean, back at the office, I mean, the two people in particular, Liam and Brian Rudd, who've worked tirelessly to make this happen. And then from a capital raise perspective, Matthew and the whole team getting our clients on board. And, you know, one of the reasons that we've done it is to provide an investment vehicle for our clients.
If I can draw your attention to the big TV, maybe if you just walk around and make sure you can see it. This is probably one of the most exciting order books, except for the Anchor Capital listing in Glencore, that I've seen in a while on a listing day. We'll go straight into just the bids and offers that we can see on the side. If you look on the left-hand side, the purple bids and offers there, it's indicating with this software that is going to be an uncrossing. So all the orders that are highlighted in that purple color means they are going to trade. What we have at the moment has been an opening auction. So effectively, the JSE is not yet open to trade. 5 minutes and 40 seconds, it'll uncross.
3, 2, 1.